Alrighty, Soldier's Joy. It's a tune named after a concoction of beer, morphine, and whiskey they used to mix together in the Civil War. Now, I don't support it. So basically, it's a Civil War drug. Now, I don't support drugs, I don't support war, and I don't support civil. But when you put all three of them in the same category, they make pretty good tunes. And I support good tunes. So, Soldier's Joy. Soldier's joy, you know what I mean. I don't want her no more, my leg is turning green. The morphine, nickel for the beer, 10 cents for the old whiskey, gonna take me away from here. That soldier's joy, boy, it hurts like hell. Give me some of that soldier's joy, what's that awful smell? Bluegrass can hide some of the darkest subjects and some of the happiest tunes. It's like Disney, if you will. Y'all have a nice day.